What if I told you your best AI assistant wasn't something you download, but something you build? Forget paying for subscriptions or using generic tools. Today, we're building your very own AI sidekick from scratch. And trust me, it's way easier and more fun than you think. No coding, no confusing jargon, just you, your creativity, and a little bit of digital magic. So where do we start? Think of it like creating a character for a video game. First, you need to decide its purpose. Is this AI going to be your personal writing coach, a brainstorming partner for your next big project, or maybe a social media genius that helps you craft viral posts? The choice is yours. Let's say we're building a creative writing assistant. We'll call it Sparky. Next up, we need to give Sparky a personality. This is the fun part. Is Sparky witty and sarcastic, or more like a wise, encouraging mentor? You decide. We do this by writing a core prompt or a system instruction. Think of this as the AISDNA. You can write something like, "You are Sparky, a world-class novelist with a playful and encouraging personality. Your goal is to help me overcome writer's block by suggesting exciting plot twists and vivid character ideas. Always be supportive and never give generic advice." See? You've just defined its entire identity in a few sentences. Now, let's pick our tools. There are amazing platforms out there that let you build custom AIs for free. Tools like Poe, Character AI, or even the custom GPT builder you have access to it are perfect for beginners. They have user-friendly interfaces where you can simply paste your core prompt, give your AI a name, and even upload a profile picture for it. Let's get Sparky set up. We'll copy and paste our personality description into the main instruction box. Boom! The brain is officially online. But a brain is nothing without knowledge. This is where we can add specific information to make Sparky even smarter. Maybe you have a document with your favorite writing techniques or a list of authors you admire. You can upload these files as knowledge. The AI will study this information, so its advice is perfectly tailored to your style. Imagine Sparky suggesting a plot twist inspired by your favorite author. How cool is that? This step is what separates your custom AI from every other generic chatbot out there. It's no longer just an AI, it's your AI. Okay, Sparky is built. Now for the most important part, training and testing. Start talking to it. Give it a test scenario. "Hey Sparky, I'm writing a fantasy story about a dragon who's afraid of heights." What happens next? Based on its response, you can see if the personality is right. Is it being playful and encouraging like we asked? If not, no problem. You can go back and tweak the core prompt. Maybe add a line like, "You love to use metaphors related to fire and flight." The more you interact and refine, the smarter and more personalized it becomes. You're not just using a tool, you're co-evolving with it. Think about the possibilities. You could build an AI fitness coach that knows your goals and motivates you. Or a travel planner that understands you prefer hidden gems over tourist traps. Or even a homework helper that explains complex topics in a way you actually understand. You are literally building a team of specialists who work for you 24/7, and the only limit is your imagination. This isn't just about making a cool gadget. Learning to build and customize AI is one of the most valuable skills you can develop right now. You're stepping behind the curtain and learning to direct the technology that is shaping our future. It's about shifting your mindset from being a passive user to an active creator. So what are you waiting for? Stop seeing AI as some mysterious, complicated thing. See it as a box of Legos, a blank canvas, a partner waiting for you to give it a purpose. Your ultimate creative partner is just a few clicks away, built by the most qualified person for the job, you. Go ahead, start building, and let me know in the comments what amazing AI sidekicks you create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the future. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on becoming a creator, not just a consumer.